This is Pat again here with part 2 of how to make your own quick website. So we already went over the basic HTML tags here, and now we want to add some style to the page because it looks pretty plain right now. So the way to do that is right after the head tag we want to open a style tag and introduce some style into the page. So you type style and then type equals text slash CSS. CSS is cascading style sheets, and that's the type of style that browsers like to look at. And then we want to close that at the end. So in between here, we'll start styling up the page. So the first thing we can do is add maybe a background color to the whole page or the body. So we'll type body with no tag and then an open bracket, and I like to add a space after the open bracket, and we'll type background color. And let's do something like a little brighter, maybe orange. And this takes hexadecimal code, and if you're not familiar with what hexadecimal code is, you can look it up, but you can also use the English words as well for the different colors. And then let's add some color to the text. Since the background will be orange, maybe we can make the text white. So to make the text a different color, you just simply type color and we'll do white. And then we'll close that bracket afterward, and we'll save our HTML and refresh it. And there we go. We have an orange background and white text now. So that'll apply to anything inside the body, which right now is everything, obviously. So the header, H1, is white, and the paragraph is white as well. We can also make the text a little more appealing by changing the type of text. So we can change that by typing font family, and we'll do Arial, and save that again. Make sure to put a semicolon at the end of each line of style here, and save that and refresh the browser. And now we have a more appealing type of text. So that's already starting to look a lot better. We can add a little break actually after the welcome by typing, it's called a horizontal rule, or HR, and that's how you specify a horizontal rule here. HR space slash, and you can close the caret there, and we'll save that and refresh and see how that looks. So that breaks off the top from the bottom here, and that looks pretty nice. So I'm going to add in some filler text here just to kind of fill out the page more to show you how it really looks like with some longer paragraphs. So I'll save that. So there's our basic website so far. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be going over divs, or divisions or dividers, to break up the site into different parts and how to space things out. Thanks for watching again.